17 out of 19 is the Camino rebuild. This part 17, the intro gonna be a little different because I'm gonna talk the first part of the video. So basically, I'm gonna just sum up what I've been missing for like a year. Well, I ain't posting like a year. So basically, COVID happened, and then with the Camino build, it's been on pause. But recently, somebody offered me a number on a car. Let's say 10 is a number. It's not a number, but let's say 10. And then they went over it, looked at it, and they saw the frame had a crack in it. And I didn't have a crack in it. I think it happened during like transportation when COVID happened. I was in Georgia. I shipped to Florida. So probably during that stage when I don't know when it happened, but it happened. Then they offered me 2 after offering 10. So at first I was like, forget it. But then I was like, I'm just take on the build process again. So this time I'm doing a full restoration, frame off, the whole 9 yards this time. First it was like a budget type of build, just to learn how to do wiring, speakers, wiring, body work, engine work, stuff like that. But since I have a car now, and just to get everything 100% how it's supposed to be, I'm gonna do a frame off restoration, get everything 100%, 100-ish%, because I'm still learning as I go. So stay tuned. This just gonna get way better. I got a new camera, new instrumentals. I got a lot of new things going on for this other half of the series, plus the next Corvette series, the actual Vision build. But stay tuned. We can get to the video now. For this part of the video, it's too windy, so I'm just doing a voiceover. So that was a piece of rust on the hood. I got rust on the frame I need to fix. I'm gonna weld all that out, cut all the bad metal, weld everything together. All perfect. Then we got this back piece. Weld that. Well, take the back window out, clean that out, take all the rust out, weld what I need to weld, and continue doing that. And this is where the frame broke during transportation, I believe. It is right there at the top of the sock. It's like that whole frame piece cracked, like broken half or snapped or something like that. And then for the most part, the car is in good shape. I just got to do some body work and stuff like that. But interior wise, I'm gonna change to bucket seats. Yeah, interior I'll change to bucket seats, do a little bit of wiring, and we'll be done with that. Interior, I'm planning on doing the AC delete. I'm not too sure yet. Upgrading the EFI system. I got a regular carburetor. I got power brakes already. So for the most part, everything still should be reusable for the most part, because everything should be reusable for the most part. And then this right here is just an overview of how the car looks. But for the most part, it shouldn't be too much. I'm reusing most of my parts. After a couple hours of tearing the car apart, that's how far I got. I got the inner fender and the fender off on this side. All the headlights out, bumper, grills, some of the AC components out, battery, stuff like that. This how we looking. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and try to get all this, plus that fender, all the radiators, fans, probably
alternator, some other stuff, brake boosters, and clear that whole back as well. Like all these AC components, brake booster, windshield wiper, everything from that back wall, this fender, inner fender, and everything around here. So it's just the engine and the frame.
Damn, man, you Dante.
Almost done taking all the fenders, all the front pieces, rated everything apart. It's just these last two that's the issue. There's just 2 screws left. I got this bolt and this bolt and all of these, but every single last one of these bolts got something in the back that I can't get to, and it just spinning. So I'm gonna just cut these 2 off first, snatch all this as one piece, then I'm gonna flip it over and take it off from the back. Alright, we got the whole front off, everything off. So now I'm gonna start taking off brake booster, all the whole AC system, and then probably the engine. Alright, I'm almost done with the front end of the vehicle. I still got to take off both sides of the exhaust, fuel system, some wiring, body mounts, transmission mounts, and then it should be ready to come out. I think I'm almost ready to pull the engine and transmission. It's just these two bolts, 1, 2. Get this head out the way. This is where I'm gonna stop this video at. I basically got the engine, transmission pulled out, all the wiring pulled out, fenders, nose, anything connected to the body, you gotta pull it out. I spent the last 2 days messing with body mounts. I finally got everything pulled out, lift the body up to test it. So I'm gonna push it out. Next video, so y'all pushing it out, lifting the body up, moving it to a separate frame. Well, moving it to a stand so I could work on the frame separately and build this up in transmission back. New EFI system, all the fuse lines connected, everything running on the frame perfectly fine, and then put the body back once I finish all the modifications. That's the end of this part for the Camino. Basically part 1, but I'm gonna continue, so part 17, 18, something like that. But I'm gonna stop right here. Y'all see how it is now, and I'm gonna continue once I push it out, lift the body up, and separate the frame from the body. So like, comment, subscribe, share this video, stay tuned for the upcoming parts.